This is 2016 Mazda CX-3. The problem with this car is that it cranks longer than usual, and also it has a code for fuel rail pressure circuit low. So I think that our high pressure fuel pump has problem, and today I'm gonna replace that. I'm gonna show you the crank time right now. Yes, the crank is longer than usual and the RPM is irregular, and also it has a check engine light, which is that code, the fuel rail pressure sensor circuit low. Okay, I already bought a high pressure fuel pump for this car, and I will replace it. First I'm gonna remove this over here because it's blocking my way to get to the high pressure fuel pump over here. You see there is one bolt over here, and that's like the star shaped, and there is one right behind that pipe over there. So I'm gonna remove this those two bolts, but before that let me get this out of the way. Let's see. Okay, this one's out. Let me put the bolts over here. Remove these wires, the connector to it, and remove this one. Okay. Okay, let's push on this. Okay, hopefully you guys can see it's very small, and one on this side. Okay, this one is out. Okay, I think there was two 10mm bolts over here. We have to take them off in order to get this out of the way. I took off one bolt and it's already loose, so I'm gonna go for another one. I think it is very hard to see the camera with the camera, so let me go. It actually is very hard. Okay, I had it. Okay, I think I loosened it. Okay, it's kind of hiding under. So it looks like this. It's a 10mm. And now look at that, we can access. So you don't have to like take this off all the way, and now we can access those two bolts. So that is something. So if you take this off, then it should come out. Fastest to remove with this. Okay, this is out. Let me put it over here. Hopefully I don't drop it. Okay, successful. Operation successful. Got it. Okay, I have my adjustable wrench over here. I'm gonna use it over here. Okay, that was kind of easy. Now once you loosen it, you can do the rest with your hand. It's not the problem. Okay, look at that. Okay, with this I'm gonna spray it on a piece of towel a little bit. I don't want to spray it directly. There is a little washer over here, rubber washer. Okay, take this off and then clean it, put it back. This is the new one. Let me make sure this is all clean, and I'm going to push it into place. Yeah. Okay, we got our bolts over here. One bolt right over here. Let's do this one first a little bit. That much good. Let's go to this side. Because it was tight. Okay, I think that's good enough. I don't want to break the bolt. Okay, I think that's good enough. That's good. Oh, it's already in place. Okay, let me push this down and push this side. This one is good. I think this one was over here. And this guy, it was right over here. All right, I'm gonna start it after I put a new high pressure fuel pump. Okay, it looks good now. It looks better. But let me clear the code and I will let you know.